You want to come out, Tipr? Huh? Want to come out for a while? Hey guys, cage cleaned up. I've got it disinfected, so I'm waiting for it to dry. So I figured I'd bring him out for a little bit, see if he wants to get some exercise. Want to come out? Come on. You could come out if you wanna. He was my rescue. He's a little jumpy. He hasn't been out in a few weeks, so. And he just shed, so he's a little jumpy. Hey, want to come out for a little bit? Huh? Come on. There we go. There we go. I love my big ball pythons. I love the normals too. And, you know, I like the new morphs and the new genetics and the combinations, but I still love my normals. I think they're just magnificent. I brought Tipr out to get a little exercise today, since he just shed. Hey, handsome, what are you doing? What you doing? Huh? Standing straight. There you are. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Sorry about the shakes. I'm laying on my back and I have spine damage, so I don't hold my balance very well when I'm laying flat. Where are you taking off to? So I'm looking everywhere. That's what I'm doing. Look at that. Look at that. Got cloudy, didn't it? Where's your sunshine, huh, Tipr? He's a big boy. Really big ball python. Where'd your sunshine go? Huh? Where'd your sunshine go? Run back to Mama. They always have to keep track of where I am at all times. Huh. So we gotta keep track of Mama. They stay right by me. Look at that. I love that striping on his tail. That's so cool. Look at you. Look at you today. So I'm loving that out here. So it's been a while, Mom. Yeah, we haven't been out in a few weeks. He's a really big boy. He's a little over 5 feet. He's over 5 feet. On guard. The minute you bring them outdoors, they go on guard. They know there are predators around. They're not stupid. Hey, there's your sunshine, Tip. There's the sunshine. No. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're so pretty. Come back to Mama. Come back to Mama. Yeah. You guys crack me up. They're not happy unless they're close to me or on me. They just drive me crazy. I've got 10 acres here, but they're always right by my side. A little bit spoiled, all of them are. I'm enjoying raising the 4 new babies. I can't wait till they're full grown. It's important every day of their lives that you spend with them, how their personality develops. It's all up to you. You know, they're only born knowing so much by instinct. The rest is up to you to teach it to them. Yeah. You over here protecting me. You over here guarding Mama. Sun's blaring in my face. Yeah, he's big. Beautiful boy. You protecting Mama? Huh? You watching out for me? Yeah, the house is different, huh? Things look different around here. Yeah, they do. On guard. The minute you bring them outdoors, they know. They're not stupid animals. So I know there are predators around here. Yes, I do. I'm not dumb. Always protecting me and staying by my side. It's amazing, the relationship you can have with your snakes if you spend a lot of time with them. There! Now I can see better. Sun's not beaming in my face. Huh. I love big constrictors, but, you know, for what they are, ball pythons can get really huge. They get a lot of exercise and they eat a regular diet. But they're just magnificent animals. I love all my snakes to death. I don't have a favorite. Chewy demands more of my time because he's more social than the other snakes are, but that's his choice. If he wants to be out and be with me, that's fine with me. Where are you going? So I'm going to go investigate. Things have changed. We got a new pile of metal out here to go underneath the pine boards on the house. We got a new pile of pine boards piled up over there too. So we still got a lot of materials here. Supposed to be starting the snake room next week, which I'm really looking forward to. Tipr, you leaving me? You make a liar out of me. You leaving me? I love the toys on this tail. It's so cool. Hey, you can't go get into that pile of stuff. No. It's me. Okay, come back this way. You can't go get in those piles over there. No wood, no metal for you. Nope. So I'm just trying to find something to get into I'm not supposed to be into, which they're very good at doing. I love it how light that striping is on the end of his tail. That's so cool. He was a rescue. He was in bad shape when I got him, but boy, you'd never know it now. One big healthy boy. But I've been behind on my videos because I've got a lot of snakes to take care of and keep cleaned up after, and they're a priority for me. So, yeah, I do invest all my free time with them because they deserve it. Where are you going? Hey. You're going to make me have to go get in front of the sun again, aren't you? Hold on. Where are you going? I just want them to come out and get some natural UVs. All their cages, they get daylight and sunlight in the house because I have them set up near windows, but you just can't beat the real deal. Artificial light doesn't even compare to natural light. Guys, when I bring Tipr out for a little while his enclosure's drying out, because I washed it down, disinfected it today, and I let it dry out real good with the fan on it before I put them back in and set it back up. Anytime my snakes come out for anything at all, I spend quality time with them. On guard. You hiding behind that plastic tote. I know that's not what they live in. It's what I bring them outdoors. And I have more people say they need a bigger enclosure. This isn't their enclosure, people. This is just what I bring them outdoors in. You know, it amazes me the lack of common sense a lot of people have about things in general. But yeah, obviously I'm not letting my snake live in a plastic tote that size. People crack me up. Hey, what you see? You're really watching the sky today, huh? It got dark again. Perfect shed. I love it when my ball pythons have perfect sheds. That takes something to master, as lazy as they get sometimes, but I'd say 8 out of 10 times they have a perfect shed. He's really staring at something. What do you watch? What's got your attention? I can quit shaking the camera. What are you watching? Huh? What do you see, Tip? What you see, handsome man? Hmm? I'm just looking. What you looking at? Do you feel better if I'm over here by you? Would that help? Would that help some if I'm over here with you? You don't feel so vulnerable now? Huh? You don't feel so vulnerable now. I'm over here beside you. You're okay. He's trying to hide around the back of this plastic coat. You're alright. I'm not going to keep you out long. I just wanted your enclosure to dry out before I go put you back in it. Exercise is good for them. Natural daylight's excellent for them. Sorry about all the shaking. I put in a busy day today outside in the yard using my weed whacker because I've got all these people coming in marking all the lines that are in the ground so my contractor can start drilling for the pylons for supports for my new snake room addition next week. So we got all these people coming in and out, like the utility company, the city, the county. Everybody's marking all these lines that they've got in the ground, the water department, so they all have to mark it to make sure nobody hits my gas line when my contractor drills for the pylons for the snake room addition. So it's going to be a big one and it's going to be beautiful. You ready to go back in, pal? Looks like it might rain again.